Hi, my name is Stephen Floro. I've been playing drums for 29 years. I currently play in a band called Bedlam. I also play in a band called Nothing Forgotten, and I play Collision 5B. The things I love about Collision Drumsticks is one, the durability. I mean, compared to every other brand I've played, they're the most durable. The other thing I really love is the customer service and how passionate they are about their product. Everybody's always willing to help you right away with anything you need. And then just the overall fit and length of the drumstick. It just feels really good in my hands, feels really good to play. So right now I'm gonna play a song called Legendary from my band Bedlam, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.